Jamaican and humming girl, don't run in on them yet. But just reach out to Al Cabalan and they already structured their defense. Jano! Bounty Price, me can't see nothing from your direction. I hope you're up there working on the cameras for visual support and not just listening to reggae music.
Come on.
Them just lay a free a bunch, but that song is straight. You sleep by your heart and follow this street.
Hey Guardian, relax yourself. Firstly, reggae music and something where you listen, you have to feel it, you hear me? I am currently working on the cameras as we speak, so don't worry your little head, man. Just take in some music from the loudspeaker and relax. I'll soon give you visual.
Everybody down here saw pull them weight, and you up there saw have party. Them thing I me can't deal with when it come on to you in a Bounty Price. There's a pending threat in the east. I hope when the heat turn up you're ready.
What you say? Ready? Now I'm ready.
Brethren, me still can't see you.